I'm just moving maybe on from the higher level now, sort of bringing things down a bit into some more nuts and bolts here, right? You mentioned earlier that the U.S. administration is pivoting towards supply side economics, and I think that that pivot, if we look at the data, we are seeing the U.S. economic growth pick up fairly rapidly. What should investors be doing now? Like, where should they be looking for opportunity? What type of new, does this open up a new opportunity set, or does it just make the existing one, reinforce the existing ones, or what are you seeing in terms of what direction, what are the opportunities as we're looking out the windshield here?
By the end of the decade, it's going to become self-evident that the United States is the most dynamic economy of the world. And they are going to be growing really, really fast for a long period of time. And what investors need to do is to get access to that wave. And so, right. When I talk to you, Conrad, I say, I don't care what sector it is, you got to get in there because they are rebuilding their economy. They are moving forward at light speed. We need to make sure that as Canadians, with your portfolio, you need to get access to the right areas of the economy. And as a country, we need to get access for our companies to get in there, because U.S. is going to be growing at 4, 5, 6%. We're going to barely grow at all. Right. So that would be it.
Have to look to diversify into those sectors that are heavily represented in the rebuilding, the rebirth of U.S. manufacturing, the rebuild of infrastructure, as we're seeing, whether it's data center or just physically building power lines and bridges.
Yes, and
that's what we mean by that. That's what this sort of supply side.
Yes, and we didn't even really chat on the other massive theme, which is the technology wave, which is AI.
That's right.
Right.